Cleaner?
No, don't put it on video. Don't you put it on video. Oh, shit.
What'd you do?
I do it, okay? Turn the camera off.
What'd you do?
I didn't do nothing.
What'd you do?
If you put it on YouTube, I'm gonna kill you.
No, it's not gonna go on YouTube.
Yes, you will.
What'd you do?
He's not even recording.
Put my thing in the vacuum cleaner, okay?
You did what?
Put the thing in the vacuum cleaner.
What?
Yeah, put it in the vacuum cleaner, right?
Put what in the vacuum cleaner?
What?
Your penis?
Yes.
Oh. Okay.
Damn.
Did it feel good?
No, yeah, a little bit.
A little bit? Just a little bit?